Hello and welcome to Research Academy's YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the last 15-day strategy for CLAT PG 2024. So your exam is on 3rd December and you have roughly 15 days left for it. So in this video we are going to talk about what should you be prioritizing in these last 15 days to make sure that you perform really well in this exam. So the first and the most important thing that you should be focusing on is revision, revision and revision. Revision is the key to success in any competitive exam, and in these last 15 days, you should only be focusing on revising whatever you have read in the last 5 to 6 months. So whenever you have started your preparation, it does not matter. But in the last 15 days, the only thing that you're supposed to be doing is revising whatever you have read. Because if you don't revise, then there is no point really in whatever you have read because you will not be able to retain it. Now, the second important thing that you should be doing in the last 15 days is practicing mock tests, because you need to get into that frame of mind where you are practicing questions, where you're practicing full-length mock tests so as to mimic what will happen in your actual exam. So you can control that, you can learn time management, you can also stumble upon a lot of important cases or important areas that you might have missed in your preparation and cover them through mock tests. The third important thing that you should be doing is that do not start any new subject at this point in time. So even if you have missed any subject, for example, if you have not read anything in IPR or if you have left something in property law or labor law, then you should not be focusing on covering those subjects in the last 15 days, because if you have not been able to cover such bulky subjects at the start of your preparation, then you certainly will not be able to finish them in the last 15 days. So instead, focus on your strengths, focus on the areas that you have already prepared, and do not waste your time in starting any new subject which you have not touched till now. The last and the most important thing is feeling confident about your preparation. So whatever you have studied, however much you have studied, make sure that you believe in yourself and the fact that you can clear this exam, because a lot of it is about attitude also and how you approach it. So these are the things that you should be focusing on. Good luck for your exam. If you like our video, please like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.